In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create QR code for WhatsApp group. This simplifies the process of joining the group. Instead of manually sharing a link or adding members one by one, the QR code allows anyone with access to it to instantly join the group by simply scanning it with their smartphone. To do this, simply head to WhatsApp. Head to any group. Tap onto the group profile. On this page, navigate to the last section of members. Select on this option of invite to group via link. On this page, select on this option of QR code. Your WhatsApp group QR code will get generated successfully. To share it to anyone, simply tap onto this share icon and select contacts you want to send the QR code. When received and scanned, they will automatically join the WhatsApp group. This is especially useful for large events, communities, or businesses, as it ensures easy and efficient group management and enhances user engagement. That's how easy it is to create WhatsApp group QR codes. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.